Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, hello, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. My name is Alita and I do beauty videos every Sunday at 10 a.m. and I am super excited for today's video. So as you can see, I already have my makeup done, so I will not be doing makeup this video, but what I will be doing is nails. I am so excited. So I heard about these nails from a couple different people on YouTube. They are the Kiss Glam Fantasy nails, and they are like press-on nails. And I heard that they were really good, so I really wanted to try them out. So I ordered some from Ulta and got them, and I am super excited. My nails are looking rough right now. They were like really long, but they started to break off, so I was like, I need to cut these. So I'm super excited to see if these work, if they stay on. So let's waste no time and jump right into this video and get these nails on. Let's go. A lot of the time I do my nails myself. I do a dip nail, and I do want to make a video on that for you guys, but I just want to get really good at it and give you guys the best tips and tricks that I can before I show you guys. But I'm super excited to make a video on that as well. But I thought for now, since I'm trying to give my nails a little bit of a break, the dip powder might be a little bit harsh on them. So I figured, why not pick up some press-ons, because I've been dying to try these ones and see if they work. Okay, so I have you guys pointed down so that you can see what I'm doing on my hands, and these are the nails that I got. They're kind of like this purpley periwinkle, and some of them are holographic and some of them are glittery color. These are the long length. I'm a little bit nervous that these are going to be too long. I like my nails sort of long, but I like them pretty short as well. So when you take this out, they do give you a little file and a little cuticle pusher, as well as the stickies in case you wanted to use them as stick-ons. I bought the Kiss Extreme Max Speed Nail Glue, so I'm going to use this because I think it's going to work better than the stickies and the glue that is provided. Okay, so I dumped all the nails out right here, and I'm just going to start by trimming down any nails that I feel like might be too long, because I don't want my real fingernails to be too long underneath there. And I do know some tips to these just because I do my dip powder, so I'm hoping that maybe they'll stay on a little bit better. Okay, so I cut them down. They're not too short, but they're also not very long. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my Beauty Secrets nail filer. This is a coarse 100 grit, and I've really been liking it. And I'm just going to buff the top of my nail. Now that they're all filed and buffed out, you have to go ahead and choose which nails you want to be on which fingers and what sizes. So you're going to want to make sure that you get the closest size as possible to your nail size. That's why they give you a bunch of them to choose from. And I'm trying to figure out how they want me to do this pattern. Like, what nail is this? What nail is that, you know? So, the thumbs are gonna be, I'm gonna make the thumbs these purple. So that one's too big. This one looks about right. Nope, that one's a little big yet. This one looks about right. Yeah, that looks about right. It lines up really well. Ooh. This one looks about right. It lines up really well with my cuticles and with the edges of my nail. So I'll probably go with that one. And these ones are numbered. If you look underneath here, there's a little number. So this is a 3. There's my other 3. But always double check and make sure it works. See, this 3 is a little small for this finger, so I might have to go up to a 4 for that one. Or up to a 2 for that one. Yeah, a 2 fits much better on that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick a 2 for that one. Then I just kind of start lining them up. So this is gonna be this hand, this is the left hand, this is the right hand. And then, am I thinking this one's a pinkies? No, this must be the middle 2 fingers, yeah. And actually, that one fits pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my left pinky right here, and I'm gonna take this little guy and my glue, and I'm just going to apply some glue all over this nail where it's gonna touch my fingernail anyways. And then I also just put a little bit on my fingernail just to make sure there's that extra layer of protection. And then I'm just going to line it up and push it down, and it says to hold it for a minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And oop, I can feel the sides of my fingernails getting in there. Make sure you pull the skin back on your nails because it'll kind of stick to the glue if you don't. I'm gonna try to do this without getting glue everywhere, but it's a struggle. Okay, so that one is on, and it actually looks pretty good. The glue feels really strong. The only thing that worries me is these nails are a little bit thin, so I'm a little bit worried that they might break off easy, but we will have to see. And I'm just gonna repeat that same process with the rest of these nails. Just hope that they work. overall, I just put the last one on, and here is what they are looking like. Those are so pretty. I am in love. Okay, you guys, so the nails are officially on and they look so gorgeous. I love, love, love this color. I love these nails. I'm hoping that I don't have to trim them down because they are pretty long, but I am so excited to see if these last. I am going to be checking in over the next few days to let you know how this nail situation is going, to let you know if they stayed on, to let you know if they fell off, to let you know how strong they are, to let you know if they broke. So this is not the end of the video, but I want to say thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned if you want to see if these bad boys stayed on for at least a couple of days. Okay, so hello guys, it is Sunday. Honestly, I forgot to check in on, what would it be, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I just totally forgot, but it is Sunday and I'm getting ready to edit this video, so I thought I would just check in and let you guys know how my nails are doing, and they are actually doing so good. Like, they look really, really good. They've all stayed on. I haven't had to re-glue any of them on. I haven't had any of them really lifting. And yeah, the first day though, afterwards, they were sore. Like, it actually felt like I got like a whole manicure. Like, this looks like a $60–70 manicure, and it's lasted for about 4 days now. And yeah, I haven't had to re-glue them on, and like, it actually felt like I had been to the nail salon and like got them done. So I'm super excited to see how long these last and how long these stay on. So next video I will check in with you guys again and let you guys know if they've stayed on, if they've fallen off, if I had to re-glue them, or whatever the situation is. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you really want to see the dip nail video, please comment down below and let me know, and I will definitely film that one as well because I love doing dip nails too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more content like this every single day, and I will see you guys next week at 10 a.m. Bye!